Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Moni. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing Glossybox and Birchbox. Let's get started. Starting off with the Glossybox. The theme for this month Glossybox is Empowerment Edition. The first item in this box is Essence You Better Work. It's a gym proof primer, but it's a sweat proof, SPF of 20 and intense blare effect. Essence has the most affordable product. That's how it smells, quite natural. The next product is by Plumber Lip Balm. This is gonna plump up your lips. Feels quite tingly, gives you that tingly effect. So it gives you that fuller lips effect. So it's just a lip balm. You can use it by itself or you can use it on top of your lipsticks. Next we have the Bellapierre Cosmetics Kiss Lip Creamer. It's in the shade Hibiscus. It's a nice red with a purple undertone. Moving on is the Lyric C Cosmetics. This is a dupe pot. This is Illuminator, and look at the color. Just a really nice pink undertone. Like, it actually matches with my top, and it's a full-size product. Next item in the box is the Vera Creme. It's by the brand Lavera. So it's an all-night cream, all-around cream. Feels like butter, and it gives this cooling sensation as well. Smells nice, and it's vegan. Next up is the Birchbox, and it says Go Girl. So all the box is actually focused on International Women's Day. First off is by Calvin Klein Women, and it's an eau de toilette perfume. Never tried Calvin Klein perfume before. Very natural. It's not very overpowering. It's got a little bit of flowery fragrance in it, so it's really good. The next product is by Palmer's Coconut Oil Repairing Conditioner. Because of us naturals, we can never have enough conditioner. I have tried this before. I've tried like a little sachet. They usually sell it like for £1 I think, or £2, and I didn't like it because of the alcohol in it. I have my own concoction that I do for deep conditioning, so I can. The next item is Regeneration Clay Mask. This is a charcoal mask. So there was two choices that you can pick. You can either pick this one is the clay mask on oily skin or combination skin. There was another one for dry skin. It was a hydrating mask, so I chose this. Next item is by Chewy Eyebrow Gel. It's a clear one, just awesome. I need one anyways. I have one which is a colored one, but I don't have a clear one. Next item is by Emma Hardy. This is the Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It's for a deeply hydrating and moisturizing, so it lifts and smooths, it improves firmness and elasticity. This retails for £44, which is quite expensive for a face cream. It smells like La Creme. I've tried La Creme before. La Creme is very expensive. You can use this in the morning and you can use it in the evening. Last item in the box is with Beauty Crop. They did a collab with Birchbox, and it's a bronzer. It says Go Girl Bronzer. There's two that you get. So you get this shade here, or you get like a different shade. I hope this shade for me. It's quite tiny. Oh, and it's cruelty free. That is pretty much how it looks like, and it looks like a shade that I can use. It's not too bad. I can use it to set my contour, like just for like natural light contouring. That's everything that I got in the beauty box of March. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and give me a little comment if you've missed me. By the way, I'm very sorry about last month. I recorded last month's beauty box and then went missing. My card that I recorded it on got missing. I looked everywhere because I've moved houses as well. Another card I put in my camera to record this month's one. I decided not to record last month's again because honestly we didn't have the time to. Thankfully I found a card. It's not new, it's an old card that I've had for a while. I found it in my stuff when I was unpacking. I found like 2 or 3 SD cards, but it's old one, so I don't know how it's gonna stay. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Have a nice day guys.